Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand how we can make use of JSTL in order to add in the header and footer. So let's get started. Now friends, in our last video we have created this particular web page which is amazing, and this was done by taking help of header and footer, which is cool stuff. Now in order to move forward and in order to make use of JSTL tags, definitely first of all we need to make use of tag lib. So we will be making use of this tag lib for core tags. Then moving forward, let us get rid of this line, and in here we will type in c:\import, and the URL would be include /header.jsp. Alright, so this looks good to me. Likewise, we will do the same for including the footer.jsp file. Alright, and now we can refresh this page and there won't be any effect. And let me check whether everything is cool stuff or not. Alright, so there is a typo. Let me fix that, and everything seems to be good enough. Alright, now let me refresh this page and there is no impact, which is perfect, right? And let me also see whether everything is working properly or not. Alright, now moving forward, let us do one thing. Let us navigate to header and let us make use of a custom title. So in here, if we check, there would be a title tag. Here we go. So in between this title tag, what we will do is we will type in $param.title. Alright, so this is good. And now moving forward, whenever we would like to give a custom title, definitely what we can do is we will add in a param, and we will transmit that param to this header file. So that can be done very easily, and this is something which we have already seen as well. Let me show you. So in here we will type in c:\param. There is something wrong with autocomplete. I don't know why it is not suggesting it properly, but nevertheless the name of the param is title, and value would be, for example, demo page to get started. Alright, so this looks good to me, and we need to close this param after importing this header file. Alright, so this looks good to me, and now let me refresh the page, and there is some kind of, I guess, issue, and it is not showing up things properly. Alright, so I guess I have made a mistake. I need to add in the param in between these tags, these importing tags. So that is a issue. Let me fix that. Let me expand this real quick. Alright, so I need to add in this param in between importing the header file. Now let me refresh the page, and here is the output, and we are able to see that the title has been updated and the title is demo page. Amazing. So this is how easily we can make use of import tag which is provided by JSTL, and how easily we can transmit some custom stuff to these header files. Now based on these parameters, we can update, give custom value to anything. It could be social media link, it could be navigation bar, or anything. It's up to you. The basic idea is we need to transmit, we need to send some data to the included file, and in the included file we need to make use of the parameters using the expression language. Alright, so this is cool stuff, and this is how we are able to achieve our target, and we will proceed further, and we will also create a complete project using this template in our forthcoming videos as well. So something interesting is coming up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.